transformations, 3 rigid motions. The 3 rigid motions are translation, slide, rotation, turn, or reflection, flip. In order to name which transformation has occurred, you'll need to ask yourself these 3 questions to decide which transformation is actually happening. The first one is it facing the same direction? If it is, that's a translation. The second is, can I draw a line of symmetry? If it is, that's a reflection. And the third is it turned in a different direction? That is a rotation. Let's take a look at this first drawing here. When you look at this blue object and you look at the new outlined figure, are they facing the same direction? The answer is yes. Look at this pointy corner here. It's pointing up and left. So is this one. So if the answer is yes, it is pointing in the same direction, then that makes it a translation. We say that a translation preserves the orientation of a figure. To preserve means to keep the same. So a translation keeps the direction or the orientation the same. You'll notice I can draw a line from each starting point to its ending point, and the lines will always be the same exact distance. That is a translation. Let's take a look at this one. Is it facing the same direction? No. This pointy object is pointing up and left, and now it is pointing in a different direction. So we'll ask ourselves the green question. Can I draw a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is any horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line that you could draw between the shapes so that if you fold your paper in half, the objects would overlap perfectly, like this line of reflection here. If you can draw a line of reflection, or also known as a line of symmetry, between the 2 shapes so that they would fold over perfectly, that is called a reflection. A reflection changes the orientation. How about this one here? Is it facing the same direction? No. Can you draw a line of symmetry? Well, let's see. First we try the vertical. Nope. Then we try the horizontal. Nope. Then we try the diagonals. Nope. Definitely not. So this one is turned in a different direction, which means it is a rotation. Let's take a look at a few more. This one is a reflection. It has a line of symmetry here. This one is also a reflection. It has a horizontal line of symmetry. This one is a rotation. And this one is a translation. Those are the 3 rigid motions of transformations.